Cheers! It's Friday. We're drinking coffee. Oh. Alrighty then. This may be one of my new favorite toys because it's stainless steel. Couple of things. If you leave it together and wash it, there's a good chance you might get some water inside, but it shouldn't affect it. This is also quite thick. It is not flimsy. It has good weight. Would have been fun to have a polished inside. Why did they polish the inside and leave the outside brushed? What's that about? Well, that looks nice. It's really attractive, right? It's a little flimsy, but not too. The bottom is soft. There's like a soft rubber, which is good. It's very attractive for a pour over. Okay, now, it's really cool that it came with so many filters. What did this cost? $26? $26 shipped, Prime? So it's not cheap. It's also not that expensive, and it seems to be very well made. That said, this would fit better in like a Melita. Why didn't they just do that? They wanted to be very unique, maybe. Or maybe if they made this like your standard flat bottom filter. Is that a deal breaker? I don't know. At least we got a lot of filters. I don't know what to say. I love playing with coffee makers. This won't break. That's pretty cool. And it's quite stable. I think I'll be using this. Weird that it's round and the filters aren't. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.